Welcome back to Automobile's Car, the home of wild innovations, futuristic rides, and machines that make you say, "Wait, what?" Today, we're diving into one of the most unique and unexpected creations of 2025. It's not a car, not a bike, not a van, it's something entirely in its own league. We're talking about the all-new 2025 Tricycle Camper, a three-wheeled motorhome built for solo explorers, weekend adventurers, and people who just want to live tiny, and live cool. Now, I know what you're thinking. A camper on three wheels? Is that even possible? Well, not only is it possible, but it's also fully functional, road legal in several countries, and honestly, a mind-blowing piece of compact engineering. Let's hit the road and explore every inch of this mini marvel. The 2025 Tricycle Camper, also called a Trike RV, is designed to blur the lines between a motorcycle, an electric vehicle, and a micro-home. And surprisingly, it does that really well. At first glance, it looks like a beefed-up tuk-tuk from the future, but as soon as you open it up, boom! A bed, a mini kitchenette, solar panels, and even space for your gear. You'll seriously question why anyone needs a giant RV when this mini machine exists. Let's talk design. From the outside, it's sleek, compact, and aerodynamic. Most models come with a bullet-style front end, not just for looks, but to slice through wind and help with efficiency. The back portion is boxier, because that's your camper cabin. It's elevated slightly for ground clearance, supported by a sturdy rear axle with dual wheels, meaning better stability while parked and while riding at lower speeds. The dimensions? Think small, but smart. We're talking about a camper that's roughly 3 meters long, 1.5 meters wide, and stands just under 2 meters tall. That's small enough to park in your driveway, even in tight urban cities, but roomy enough for one person to live, sleep, and even cook inside. Let's pop open the cabin. Inside, the space is brilliantly designed. You've got a single pull-out bed that folds flat when you're ready to sleep, and tucks up neatly when not in use. There's storage underneath, plenty for your clothes, camping gear, a foldable table, and more. But wait, it gets better. On one side, you'll find a mini kitchen station. We're talking a compact sink, a one-burner stove powered by a mini gas canister, and a small fridge that runs on battery or solar power. There's even a built-in water tank with a foot pump for the sink, totally off-grid friendly. And speaking of off-grid, this little beast is powered by an electric or hybrid engine, depending on the model. Most electric versions offer a range of about 100 to 150 kilometers on a full charge, perfect for weekend getaways or day-to-day commuting. Some upgraded models even come with roof-mounted solar panels that can trickle charge your battery. Meaning endless energy if the sun's out and you're not in a rush. Let's talk powertrain. The base model Co.